In today's fast-paced business, flexibility and convenience are critical considerations in assuring consumer happiness. Customers frequently seek the opportunity to split payments among numerous payment methods when making purchases, allowing them to utilize multiple sources of finances. Split payments are a sensible solution for businesses and customers alike, allowing a wide range of financial situations and preferences. In this video, we will look at the concept of split payments, their advantages for both businesses and customers, and how this functionality may be efficiently applied to improve the transaction experience. Understanding split payments. Split payments are the practice of dividing the total cost of a purchase among various payment methods. Instead of relying on a single payment method, clients can allocate different portions of the payment using diverse sources such as credit cards, gift cards, store credit, or multiple bank accounts. This adaptability enables customers to manage their finances effectively and make purchases even when they do not have enough funds in a single account. Client advantages. Allowing split payments provides various benefits for clients, increasing their spending power and overall shopping experience. Financial flexibility. Split payments help clients who may have limited cash in a single payment option. Customers can cover the purchase amount by combining available balances from several accounts or payment instruments if numerous sources are permitted. Gift cards and store credit. Split payments allow customers to use gift cards or store credit in addition to other payment methods. This allows for the redemption of gift cards or loyalty points while also using alternate payment methods, adding convenience and value. Budgeting. Split payments help clients to stick to their budgeting choices. They can charge a specified amount to a credit card, for example, while utilizing cash or a debit card for the remaining debt. This tool enables users to maintain control over their spending and make informed financial decisions. Retailers' advantages. Implementing split payment capabilities in a retail setting benefits organizations in a variety of ways, eventually driving customer satisfaction and sales growth. Increased conversion rates. By accepting split payments, companies can remove financial barriers that may prevent buyers from completing a purchase. When customers have the option to divide the payment, they are more likely to complete the deal, resulting in improved conversion rates and lower cart abandonment. Split payments add to a pleasant customer experience by respecting individual preferences. This adaptability reveals that the retailer appreciates their customers and is dedicated to serving their different needs, encouraging loyalty and customer happiness. Increased sales opportunities. Allowing for split payments allows you to reach a larger consumer base. Customers with restricted cash in a single account can still make purchases by using several payment methods. This inclusivity leads to improved sales potential and a broader reach for the retailer. Adding split payment functionality. Retailers can successfully integrate split payment capabilities by utilizing modern point-of-sale systems or e-commerce platforms that allow this functionality. These systems should have a user-friendly interface that allows users to choose and allocate different payment methods throughout the checkout process. The split payment feature should be smoothly incorporated into the payment procedure, offering a smooth and efficient experience for clients. Retailers should also provide clear instructions and information on how to split payments, allowing customers to use this option comfortably.